District Disaster Management Agency jongka Sorkar Jela ne kasngi ka arpo pratri ku naitung kelas dang ya ka Yuba Abda Mitra Volunteer Training Program kabah nyu sngi na kamantagi samla puli jongka National Credit Corps, National Social Service, Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan bat ka Bharat Scout and Guide hanong po. Kani ka training program kan Jinghikai ki volunteer Kumno ban ai ki Jingiada ye ki pajba haba jia kano ka lyngshop jong ka bor Mariang kum ka jingki ujumai ka jingplu ding bat ka jingsle lane haba bethei bom bat ki jingjia ki bawanra ka jingma ha ka jingim jong ki breo ha ka jingsdang ya kani ka training program laidon bentalang ki officer na ka office of deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district na ki school bat ki college bat ki kanhon ki ba Jinghikai ha kani ka program
So one of the most basic things that I think that this training will be kind of training that will be important to you under the leadership of our service team and other like from the NHO, from fire emergency. They will be teaching you all the basic skills on how to rescue, how to give first aid, okay? And at the end of the training, maybe if not sometime shortly, maybe sometime around the next month or the next couple of months, we'll be equipped you with the emergency kits. For each Apna Mitra volunteer will be also equipped with emergency kits. So the government has a very